Investing in Roatan, Honduras. Many have tried, very few succeed. We have a saying here, if you want to leave a millionaire, come with two. Now, does that mean it's impossible? Absolutely not. It means that you need to do it the right way, and you have to know. It's not about what you know, it's who you know, and that is, well, incredibly true with Roatan, Honduras. And the first step I would take is to make sure you have a competent agent or competent investor working with you. I happen to be both. I'm actually on my way to an Denver Angel investing event in Denver, Colorado, shocking enough, where I've been a member since 2020 and a real estate investor since, let's see, about 2009, and a homeowner in Roatan, investing in Roatan specifically since 2013. So there's a lot of knowledge in that. There's a lot of success. There's also a ridiculous amount of failures. So when you're deciding on who you're going to work with, I think first and foremost, you need to work with someone that has done it themselves in Roatan, Honduras, not done it somewhere else, because let me tell you, with all due respect, what I do in Colorado is much different than what I do in Roatan. Colorado is much easier, takes much less effort, has much less risk. So you might ask, why on earth would you ever even consider Roatan, Honduras? Well, you get to live on the beach. Mountains are beautiful, or wherever you choose to live full-time, or even if you want Roatan to be your full-time home, like it is for me. I choose Roatan for the lifestyle, and in the investing, I make it work because that is the lifestyle I'm choosing. So with my investing and what I've been able to do over the years, well, we do a lot of videos on these, and you can see a lot of videos from years and years of me talking about Roatan, all of the things that I've screwed up. So when you're working with someone, if they tell you everything's gonna be super easy, it's gonna be a quick buck, that they've never screwed up, they're lying. Roatan is a place where there's a very steep learning curve. Doesn't mean you can't succeed. It just means it takes a little while, and it will go a lot better if you set appropriate expectations and work with the appropriate people. I'm definitely not the only one that you can work with in Roatan. There are many people that have done it just as well as me, some better, some worse, some longer, some less. It's all about who you jive with and who you like working with. I know I can be a bit too honest, which I don't think is a bad thing when we're talking investments, because it's dollars and cents. There's not a lot of emotion with it. However, I do tell people things that they don't want to hear a lot of the time. And I do know that it upsets some people. But here's the thing, I'm never going to tell you something that's incorrect or something that I don't believe. Can I be wrong? Absolutely. I'm wrong every single day. But when we're talking about investing, it's very, well, kind of black and white, and it's better to make an informed decision than an, well, uninformed decision. We'll keep the words nice today. So when you're thinking about buying in Roatan, especially for that investment property, make sure you're vetting someone that has done it themselves and also will tell you the truth. And I don't mean they're going to lie to you. You just need the full truth, not half the truth, that's very strong in Roatan. Everybody wants to say yes. Everybody wants to make you happy. The no doesn't really exist. So it's all about how the yes comes off, because yes doesn't always mean yes. Sometimes it's a firm no, but it comes out like a yes. It's very nuanced and very, we can talk about that and manana for hours and hours and hours. When you are going to invest in Roatan, setting expectations and talking to someone that's going to give you real advice, real information, and not just the sales pitch, which we've got a lot of those people here that do that too. And there's nothing wrong with that if you're looking for a lifestyle. But if you're looking for an investment, you definitely want to look for someone that's done it themselves, screwed it up themselves, and learned how to fix it. Because even if you've worked with someone that did a really one-hit wonder, did a great job, can they replicate it or not? There's a big, well, I think most of the learning, I tend to learn a lot more through my mistakes, through my successes. Roatan, my first project, was a complete disaster. Look on the videos from 3 years ago. Video quality is much different, but I talk about all the things I screwed up, and that's how I have all my opinions that I have today. So my second and third project are, I don't know, it looks like perfection. It looks like, oh man, I just got really lucky. No, it's because I screwed up the first one so badly that now my second and third, it looks easy now. So if you're invested in Roatan, it's all about who you know, not what you know. So good luck, and I would love to be your first call.